there we have it in my vehicle. That's the box. That's my tripod, the utility knife. You can see the information on there in French, and I don't know what other language. The thing is not really big. You look at a lot of the complaints, and people say it's not big. This is being put in the back of a Prius, and it's barely wide enough to cover the back, the width of the Prius. It can't go all the way to the edge on the area by the trunk, by the back of the car, and it does go to the edges towards the back seat. Well, you're going to see. Okay, so you're seeing me touch the mat now. It's really thin. Some people in the review say, oh, it's really thick and it's great. No, it's not really thick, but it serves its purpose. It is going to work. It's going to do what you need. You see the cardboard over there? I didn't want to use the cardboard anymore to protect the carpet. I don't expect this to, I don't know how long it's going to last for. I just didn't want dirt when I pick up plants from Home Depot, when I go to Costco and I buy stuff and I leave the packages. Maybe some of the packages are moist. Okay, you can see it now lined up in the back. It barely fits the right corner. I just took it out of the bag. I barely have it right at the back edge now. On the left, not a lot of lighting over there, but barely goes into the edge. This is a Prius. This is not going to fit in an SUV in the back. Now it goes up on the edges, and I thought I could custom cut it, but I'd rather have it going up on the edges, so if a little bit of liquid by chance, okay, it doesn't even go to the back seat. Well, I did trim it. You can see I trimmed it. That's the piece that I trimmed going at the back seat all the way at the far back, so that I had some room. But I wanted some sides on there. Maybe it would help me in case liquid's going to run off. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. Come on, click on my affiliate links. There's a donation link. Watch my other videos. Help me out. The money does help a lot, believe me. It barely goes to the edges over there. You can see in the corner. And that's the edge where I left it up on the sides. Goes to the back of the seat now. It's not perfectly flat. It's not the greatest. It does work. For 30 bucks, I'm happy. It's going to serve its purpose, and it's a lot better than cardboard. Would I buy it again? Yeah. If you have a big SUV, this is not going to work for you. It's just not big enough.